back with another look for you guys. This is the look that I came up with. And if you want to know how I achieved it, stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. I used my NYX eyebrow gel in the color Espresso like I normally use. I just didn't feel like recording them today, so I'm going to go ahead and move right into laying my base down, which I'm using the P. Louise base that I've always used, P. Louise in shade 5, to line and clean up the underneath my brow, and then shade 0 on my lid to help with getting the true colors of the shadow. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. I went ahead and put a tape on because that helps me make sure that my shape stays, you know, semi what I want it to be. It doesn't get too blown out and too carried away. So I just want to make sure that my lid's not creasing and stuff. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use the James Charles palette. And the first shade that I'm going to go in with is going to be the necklace. It's going to be this orange shade right here. It's like an orange, I would say brown orange shade. And I'm going to take that on a kind of dense brush and lay that right underneath the brow. Next, I'm going to go ahead and dip into my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. I'm going to use the shade, I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's this dark brown shade right here. My fingers on. I'm going to go ahead and use that shade. I'm going to go ahead and use that shade in the crease and then blend it up into that orange shade that we just put down. Now to deepen it up even a little bit more, because I'm eventually going to go in with black, but I still want a good transition from light to dark. I don't want it to just jump from light orange to black. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe 3502 palette. Really dark right here, this dark brown. It's a little bit darker than the Juvia's Place one. So I'm going to take that and put that right over that Juvia's Place in the crease. I'm still gonna let it have a good gradient, but I just want to deepen it up before I put that black down. Alright, so now that I'm at a comfortable place where I feel like my blend is how I want it to be, I'm gonna go ahead and take this like very small packing brush basically, and I'm gonna go into that James Charles palette. I'm gonna go into that James Charles palette with that black, and I'm going to place that in my crease to create the shape that I want. Okay, so now that I have the black laid down in the shape that I wanted, I'm going to go ahead and with this fluffy brush and that same dark brown out of the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to use that to blend up that black up a little bit. Not too much, I don't want the black all the way up here. I'm just going to blend it up a little bit so that way the black is not so harsh at that spot that it's in right now. And in that crease where that black is, I'm going to do like, I guess swirls or something. I'm gonna do like little swirls and like blend that black. The black is blended out to my liking. I'm gonna go ahead and take the P. Louise base in shade 0, the white one. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. And I'm just gonna start at the front. This is about as even as we're gonna get today. I know one of them is up a little higher. That's because my eyebrows grow differently. So like this eyebrow naturally grows up a little bit higher. So when I carve out my eyebrows, I always have more room over here. So like my creases end up being a little bit higher. My wings always end up being a little bit taller over here because my eyebrow tail on this side, or for whatever reason, always sinks down. I try to correct it. It doesn't. It does what it wants. But that's as even as I can get them both. I think they're pretty even. I don't want to bring this one up too much higher, or else I'll lose all of the blending that I did. Like it'll start to cover up all of the black, which it already kind of did. So I'm gonna go in right now, actually, and add some of that blackness back right over the crease, so it could be like a real deep dimension, I guess is what I want to say. So how I'm gonna do that without disturbing my crease that I just, cut with that knife. I'm gonna take this little, it's like a liner brush, and I'm gonna dip it into that black from James Charles palette, and this will help me add some of that black back. Add some of the deepness back where I lost it, right over the crease. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this tape off for the next step. That always makes my eyes water a little bit. So I'm going in with that same brush I originally used with the black. And I'm like smudging it. I'm just using this angle brush to kind of get that, make sure my shape is predominant and that angle on the end is how I want it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and keep blending. You can blend kind of vigorously right here because honestly it's not gonna move too much because I stamped that black in there, but I just want to soften it up a little bit. So now that I have both sides basically how I want them, I'm gonna go ahead and with this, it's falling everywhere. This loose shimmer pigment. I got this from the beauty supply store, but it's really, really pigmented. So I like using it, but I'm gonna take a little bit of that. Alright, we're gonna pause on the eyes real quick. I always do my eyelashes last. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. So I'm color correcting right now with the LA Pro Girl concealer in orange. I wanna say this is, yeah, orange. I've been trying some new products on my face lately to try and get rid of some of my hyperpigmentation. I think it's working kind of good, so I'm happy about that. But until it's to a place where I want it to be, I'm still gonna color correct. And I'm gonna go with my CoverGirl True Blend Concealer and in the color D6. I'm running out, Lord. Thought I had a new one. Okay. Scrap that. I'm gonna use D50. And I'm gonna take the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in dark, I'm lying, medium dark 32. So I'm gonna just go ahead and set this. Hopefully, I keep looking over here because I'm looking in my monitor and I really don't like how my face looks right now. Hopefully I can fix this once I've set it. I'm gonna set wherever it is. I do have like some foundation powder that I can try and use to get rid of whatever's going on with it right now, because I'm not here for it. It's not. Yes, I just love lashes. Like, I just feel so much better once I put my lashes on. Like, it's weird because I never really liked my look until my eyelashes are actually on it. Then I'm like in love with it every time. But I'm just lining my lips right now with a ColourPop lip pencil, but it's in the shade BFF4. Alright, so now I'm gonna take the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Dubai. This is like my favorite brown, nudie, whatever you want to call it, lip color. And then I'm gonna take the same NYX in the color Abu Dhabi. And then I wanted my lips really glossy today, really glossy. So I'm just using this Nika K lip gel lip gloss. I'm gonna take this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 360. Take a big fluffy brush like this, dip it in that powder, and then like rub it into my skin. Hopefully this will help my under eyes. I'm kind of like patting it in it. And now for a highlighter, my trusty bestie Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's called Bronze. I'm gonna start up here. And this is the final look. I'm really liking how it turned out. I'm really digging it. It's like a little bit of a twist on regular cut crease. You know, nothing wrong with that, but I'm really liking it. Something a little bit different. Got the pop of glitter in the corner. You know, I'm very extra. But thank you guys for watching. I definitely appreciate all the love. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that. I appreciate it all. Follow me on Instagram. It's beauty_by_Mani. Almost forgot my Instagram handle. But it's beauty_by_Mani. Stay tuned for next week. I'll be coming at you with another video.